The money that he gave me finished. We have to get anti-tetanus, right? Done. I hope I didn't miss the buzzer. Hi guys, long time no vlog. Today is Friday and I'm about to go and cycle. I finally got my bicycle tires fixed. So I don't know, there's something going on here. My building, my landlord doesn't have a garage, so I don't have where to keep my bicycle. I can't be carrying my bicycle upstairs every time, and so I started parking it in one like a garden sort of close to where I stay. I'm able to hook it with the chain. This is the second time now my tire was flat. In fact, this second time there was actually a hole, like a knife or something, a glass or something went through it. So and I realized I was with two tires, so I couldn't ride my bicycle for like over a week, and I had to take it to Decathlon for them to fix it, and it cost me like 70 euros to be honest. Anyways, however the day goes, I will carry it along. Hi guys, so right now I'm about to go for some grocery shopping. I almost never do grocery shopping in the house. My husband does most of the grocery shopping, but today I'm going to do it. So I'm just going to carry it along. I'm going to go to Lidl, and I'm also going to go to Pavi because we prefer to buy our chicken from Lidl, and the other things I need to get, I'll get it from Pavi. So I'm going to get the bus now. Hopefully I haven't even missed it, but let's go. I'm back from the market, and I came back and my husband is asking me, what did I go and buy? Because the money that he gave me finished. Now I can explain. I told him I was only going to buy chicken, pepper and tomatoes, and what else? Anyways, but baby, do you know that the truth is that
I don't know.
Wait, that pepper that I bought it was 10 euros. Chicken that I bought is over 10 euros. Then
Let me see the said chicken wings. Chicken wings that I used to get for a little as 1.5 for one pack.
It's not 1.5. Things are expensive. Things are expensive. It's not. So me, I usually don't do the shopping in this house, like I said before. My husband does the shopping. So now that I went shopping today, he's not asking me for everything. I don't know. Okay, let me just start. See the pepper I bought. I bought those red peppers. I usually don't find it in the market. So when I saw it, I bought 2 like nylon bags. Anyways, everything is 10.68 euros. And also I bought 2 avocados. They are soft. They are soft. One is almost soft, one is soft. I tried now. Give me credit now. Oh wow. Anyways, so this one is 10 point something. Okay, you will see it now. And then I bought this bag of broccoli. And carrots and cauliflower because I eat it a lot. No, it's not expensive, but I see something. Okay. See now, I bought these veggies and I found lettuce that was finely cut. I bought 3. No, I bought 2 lettuce.
Where are they going to stay?
In the fridge. In the fridge. 3.
Did they last as long as the fridge?
If you don't open it, it's okay. 3. This one I bought it even for myself because it has another purple vegetable inside. But see, you are seeing now, Then I bought carrots. This carrot. No, I don't know how much it is. The receipt is somewhere in my bag. Let me get it. Lidl, I spent 18 euros.
Because that's how much I know that the things are realistic.
18 euros.
That's how much
No. See spinach. This is spinach. I bought it from Lidl.
Interesting. Yeah, spinach used to cost.
This spinach like this is 1.49 euros.
Serious?
Yes.
If it's Lidl that will be getting spinach.
1.49 euros.
That's the same amount for that small pack of baby spinach.
Then I bought. Now you are the one that asked me to buy this thing.
How much were they now?
This thing was for 4 euros. So things have been. Oh my show. Hey God. Oh, where's this receipt now? I need it. See, this thing, I bought your mustard and your barbecue sauce. You're welcome.
I use barbecue sauce.
I bought this brown rice for myself.
Okay.
It was 4 euros, 4 point something actually. Quite expensive, but you know, I said let me try it. So I bought this one. In Lidl, I found this kind of pepper. This, even though it wasn't red, this was the only one that was red. It wasn't expensive. One was 2.99. 2.99. That's 3 euros. That's 6 euros. I'm coming on. Now I bought extra crackers because now we're eating my crackers. Now our crackers. You are eating my crackers with me. I bought this thing for clean. I baby cannot clean. Okay. Then I bought your chicken.
For the carnivores.
Now this chicken, yes, 159. This is 159. Thai. How much was it? I'm not sure. I bought this for kitchen.
Okay. This is fine.
I bought new mop, but I should not buy new mop.
No.
Then I bought these veggies for food.
Yeah.
Then last but not the least, okay, second to the last, I bought wipes. Now this is gizzard. I bought this gizzard. This gizzard is, I think this is 1 kilo. Yeah, this is 1 kilo of gizzard. This is 494 euros in total, to something euros. I'm supposed to be doing this in explanation to my viewers, and I'm now explaining it to you. Anyways, yeah, that was it. And then after that, I ordered both was 7 euros. What do you guys think? Things are expensive now. That money, when I came, I would have used it to buy more things as well. So right now I'm just trying to boil Right now I'm trying to boil the chicken and the gizzard I bought. Then I'm just going to put it in the oven. So I usually try to do this just to reduce stress for us during the week. So I'm boiling all this meat. This meat is supposed to last for some time anyways. It's just chicken and gizzard. I have beef in the fridge, and I usually try to do this, boil everything and put it in the oven so that it can just dry up a bit, or put it in the air fryer. And then once I'm done, I will put it in the freezer. So when I want to make anything, stew, sauce, whatever, I just bring out the meat. So yeah, I just keep wearing this cap, and the reason is because my hair is a mess, a whole mess. I miss the whole thing. You know, in Nigeria, how you just go to the salon. They have that here. They have those here salons where you go sit down and they make your hair for you, but they're expensive. Salons where they are quite expensive, you know, for them to wash your hair, set it, that kind of thing, or even relax it. But for the past 9-10 years, actually, I've been out of Nigeria. I've been relaxing my hair by myself. So, and I'm just going to continue like that. So tomorrow morning, I plan to relax my hair. It's a mess, like it's embarrassing. Let me show you. See, it's actually it's not okay. It's not okay at all. I think the last time I relaxed my hair was in July. Yeah, it was in July. So it's so due. The hair has really caught. It was in cornrows for a while. But I'm going to relax it tomorrow and begin to look like a better person, you know. It's okay. This oven, this induction cooker, any little thing to just start shouting. Hi guys, happy Saturday. So the day started earlier. I went to work out and my baby fell and bruised.
You're athlete. I'm an athlete.
Okay, my athlete fell and bruised his knee. We had to get anti-tetanus, right? Anti-tetanus injections and antibiotics because they said it was inflamed. Anyways, we just had breakfast now and I'm about to relax my hair. And relaxer, I got it from the African store. I got it from what's the name of that store? Taste of Africa. Yeah. This life. Remember that year? This wooden thing used to be thicker and stronger. Now like this, I don't know what's going on. It's almost breaking in my hand. Like ice cream. So I just divided my hair into 4. See somebody's hair. Ha. I'm done. There's relaxer all over my face, but yeah. Okay. I didn't even show the aftermath of my relaxation. But anyways, I think he relaxed well enough. I'm sad because my front hair chopped, but it usually doesn't take time before my hair grows back, so I'm hopeful. So I've seen it in a few places where people put their onions and their peppers into the oven so it could dry before they blend it for their stew. And so I decided to try it out. I reached out to my friend to put me through, and I think I liked the way it came out when I blended it. In fact, it was even softer. It didn't take as much effort to blend because obviously it was already soft. I think I'm going to be making my peppers or my stew like this moving forward. Anyway, guys, what do you think about this? Do you do this already? Have you done it before? Hi guys, happy Sunday to you. So right now I'm on my way to church. I'm already late. I feel like I don't know. I hope I didn't miss the bus, or I hope I don't miss the bus. I'm just about to rush to the bus stop so I can get the bus to church. Back from church, or I'm on my way back from church. I want to get the bus now. I forgot that I carried my camera, so I just wasn't vlogging, and I've been out of church for some time now. Back. So I'm back from church, and I was supposed to have a live video today, but because I've never had one on my channel before, I tried to click on the live feature on YouTube, and it says I have to come back in 24 hours, like to be ready in 24 hours, because I think that's my first time. So anyways, the live video has now been postponed to tomorrow evening. Oh, by the way, in church today, when we finished service, someone passed behind me and tapped me. I was like, hey, I know you from YouTube. And I didn't know what to say. I was like, oh, nice. And that was all. And he was like, yeah, and then he left. I need to work on my my response when people tell me that. So my friend was telling me, I should have asked him if he's subscribed or something. But I just said, oh, nice, and that was it. Anyways, I don't even know. I hope I can remember his face next week. I'll try in church on Sunday, and probably have a conversation with him and ask him what video he saw on my channel. Anyways, today is Sunday. This was supposed to be a weekend vlog, and so it's definitely going to end today. So later that evening, after resting, we headed out to a restaurant, actually one of our favorites. It's called Punto, and it's in Slima, and we had a good time. We just went there and we chilled a bit, we ate, we talked, and we headed back home. This brings me to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and give it a thumbs up as well. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.